supervise your children. Now let's all wave goodbye to those beautiful people up there. Bye, beautiful. Oh, guys, come on. You have to wave goodbye to the ugly ones. That's the bottom of the boat. Yay, nice job. But if anything does happen in all day, yeah, y'all don't want to hear my number 2 joke, okay? Now, everybody say your first time on the Jungle Cruise. Raise your hand. First timers, yeah? No way, me too. Outlaws, outlaws. I know it's pretty tough, but outlaws are actually, this is my most favorite river you guys can do. I love it so much. One problem though, the Nile River is too long. I mean, seriously guys, it goes on for Nile's fastest animals in the jungle. Isn't that crazy? I know, kind of unsettling. Hi, Ina. Hi, Ina. Oh, she's so sweet, guys. She laughs at all my, isn't that crazy? I know, kind of unsettling, right? Now, some people have said to me before, they've said, Skipper Abby, your job is so easy. You know, I really, and these trips are so smart. See that one in the back? Yeah. Yeah.